I'm Toby from UEA and I'm here to talk to you today about how a lecture is different from a lesson at school and how I enjoy them. History lectures involve your lecturers giving you their ideas and their perspectives on a particular topic. So you'll have picture modules for the most part. I do a lot of medieval history, so that's what my lectures tend to focus on. And you will get a lot of content given to you, the historiography of particular people that are relevant to the course, of course your own lecturers' views, and then you will use those lectures as preparation for your seminars. And that's the big difference between school and university, because the seminars is where the real work happens. That's where you prepare for your essays. It's also where you help your lecturers prepare for their own publications. That idea exchange is the big difference between school and university, because you're actually at the cutting edge of developing new historical opinion, and that is the big difference.